Oh, hold on. Now it's official.
Oh, what is it? Okay.
What is that? Hold it up so the folks can see. Good. Okay, now we can say hi. It's your weekend gardener here with Evie.
Hi, guys.
Okay, today what we're eating is, do you know what this is called? You know what the name of it?
I don't know. Look like an apple.
Okay, it's called a sand pear.
Sample?
Pear, sand pear.
Pear. Ah, pear. Pera.
Okay. Also, too, what they call this is the Asian pear, a Japanese pear. I always say this word wrong. Persian pear, an apple pear, a Taiwanese pear. It's called the zodiac pear, a 3/2 pear,
Wow.
a Nespeter. I can't pronounce that word.
You know a lot about
And a
pear.
papal. But it's just called that in different parts of the country or different parts of the world. But in Brazil, how do you say sand pear?
I never saw this kind of pear in Brazil. Sand pear in Brazil is a pera de areia.
Jadeira?
Areia.
Areia.
Yes, pera de areia.
Okay.
I never saw this kind of pear in Brazil.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is, always cut it open so we can see the inside. Now this pear is based in,
Crunchy.
yeah, it's real crunchy. Wow.
Wow. Interesting.
Okay, so this is pretty much like an Asian pear.
Okay.
I don't see the middle. Yeah, cut it.
Yeah, let me see if about seeds, right?
Yeah, we want to see the seeds.
Ooh.
Wow, that is
Yes.
crunchy.
Crunch.
Okay,
Let me
there we
see.
go. Okay, so
Yeah, now looks like a pear.
you know what I always say.
Yes. Let me see the taste.
Looks good. Wow. Don't break a molar.
Very good.
Very good.
Mm-hmm.
I get that. Now you say you don't have this in Brazil, right? This kind.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you just had a regular green one.
Yes.
The shape kind of like.
Yeah, the body shape.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have that one.
And we have another shape, another kind we call Portuguese pear. Pera portuguesa.
Pera Portuguesa.
Yeah.
So compared to all those, how does it taste?
I like more the other one because it's more sweet.
That's sweet?
Yes. Another one, Brazilian kind.
It's sweeter than this.
Sweet. Yeah, sweetest.
Okay, sweeter.
But I like because it's crunchy.
Mm-hmm.
And a lot of water inside.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, your turn.
Yeah, cut me a little piece of that.
No, you don't know. A decent piece.
What's your number?
My number 5.
Wow, that's a low number. That doesn't say a lot for this. So if you gave it a 5, I'll probably give it like
Yeah.
a 2. So. I don't like the skin.
Yeah.
I rarely eat the skin of any kind of vegetable. I mean, fruit.
Oh, yeah. I know.
Okay.
Talk.
I think I will give this. I'll give it about a 5 also.
High 5.
No 5. Okay, yeah, I think I give this about a 5. Would I buy this in the store again? No, I wouldn't buy this. I wouldn't buy this. Would I finish these? Yeah, I'll finish this. It's not bad. It's just the taste is not overwhelming. There's nothing that jumps out. Like, you eat a banana, you can tell you're eating a banana.
Okay.
Because it has that distinct taste. The taste jumps out. This is real bland. It's not nasty though, but it's real bland and plain. It's like the middle of the road. I think I've had some of the green pears that are more tasty than this.
Yes,
But
it is.
yeah, I mean, I know this is probably good for you. I probably would juice this. I'm a big proponent of juicing. So I wouldn't rule it out. Yeah. Would I buy this tree? Nah. But it'll look nice on your property though, because of the show the folks again. Show the other one. The full one, and pull the skirt off that thing. That's a nice looking pear. So I don't know. I mean, if I had a corner in my lot, I probably would plant this. I probably would. I think I can get used to it. So
yeah, we can try.
It's a substitute for apple. I can definitely say that because of the high water content and the crunch. So, your weekend gardener, Evie. Boom.